folks, welcome to Guaranty RV here in Junction City this morning. Today I'd like to present to you this Georgetown. It is a 2015 coach. We just took it on trade. Excellent condition. Forest River builds this coach. It's on a Ford V10 chassis. Come inside and we'll take a look around. Starting back in the bedroom area, we've got a nice walk-around queen bed. Great wardrobe closets here. Plenty of drawers for storage. Nice countertop. Drawers up above. Side windows for ventilation. And a bathroom with a nice big counter. Sink outside. And then inside here, you've got your shower. Really nice laid out coach. Here you've got some nice pantry storage with slide out drawers. More down here, as well as a full-size residential refrigerator. This has a nice oven and a 3-burner cooktop gas range. It also comes with a microwave convection oven. Look at all this counter space. This is awesome. Nice storage here. This coach has really got a lot of great storage. You can actually put a full-size garbage can down here. Nice big window. It has a U-shaped dinette in this coach. This makes into a bed. This couch makes into a bed. And then it also has the drop-down bed up above the cab. Like I said, this is on a Ford V10 chassis. Very well taken care of coach. It has automatic levelers, a nice little workstation for when you're traveling down the road, and great view when you're going down the road. Let's see what kind of storage we have out here. Nice side storage compartments that open to the side instead of up. Outside TV. And the people that had this actually added this great little slider out here, which is a nice addition. Great thing to have. This has a 5,000-pound hitch with a backup camera and a ladder for easy access to the roof. This is your power cords here, your water dump station area here, and more storage underneath. Great windows. Folks, if you have any more questions about this coach or any other coach that we have on our lot, please feel free to give me a call at the number you see below on the screen or my cell number, 541-505-0292. Thank you so much.